friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Type-C Ethernet gigabyte cable test in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so this is a Realme X7 Pro smartphone, and this is a Type-C to Ethernet cable, as you can see here. So let's see, friends, whether the Realme X7 Pro will be able to support this kind of Ethernet cable connection, whereby which you can access the internet connection or not. So this is a cable which is there right now, so which has a 55 Mbps of the broadband internet connection speed, and this is a Type-C to Ethernet connection port, as you can see, friends. So as you can see here, so there is a USB 3.0 and a port hub with a gigabyte Ethernet adapter. So let's see, friends, whether the Realme X7 Pro can actually support this kind of Ethernet gigabyte connection or not using the Type-C cable. And same kind of test I'll try to do in plenty of other smartphones which I'm having in my channel right now. So make sure to subscribe for this kind of unique comparisons and unique test on the smartphones. So make sure to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, there's always a links available in the description below. So check for the wallpaper playlist and you can find this kind of amazing TikTok wallpaper and this kind of live wallpaper going on here. So let's get started, friends, by connecting the Type-C Ethernet port here. So this is a Type-C one, as you can see, and this is a gigabyte Ethernet adapter. And let me try to connect and let's see what message you will be getting on the top. So before that, let me quickly show you the exact phone model what it is, so you know exactly this is a Realme X7 Pro. As you can see, friends, this is a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So now quickly let me try to connect the cable. So I connected the cable and it is Ethernet, and I did not use any Wi-Fi connection, and mobile data is completely off, as you can see here, friends, clearly. And now let me try to connect the Ethernet cable here. So this is a Ethernet cable, so let me try to quickly connect it. So Ethernet cable is connected. So one thing I did observe is that as soon as the Ethernet cable is connected, I can see the internet speed meter got turned on the top, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now let me try to quickly open Play Store or any application. So in this case, I'm trying to open the Play Store, and I was able to access all the games, as you can see, without any problem, as you can see, friends. So it was loading pretty fast, no issues or zero lag. So now this is the time to test the internet speed connection as well. So this is a speed test which I'll be using. So as I said, my internet connection is of close to 55 Mbps of speed. So let's test, friends, whether we'll be getting that kind of speed or not right now. As you can see, it's reaching 43 and 44. So, some of the other smartphones did connect to the Wi-Fi connection, so that's why I was unable to get that maximum speed. But definitely I will be getting the 55 Mbps of speed. So this without any Wi-Fi or any mobile data, friends, as you can clearly see here. So this with a direct Ethernet cable connection, as you can see, using this Type-C adapter. So which is really good, friends, if you're having this kind of Ethernet cable and if you want to connect to the smartphone in case if you don't have any Wi-Fi or anything, any router. So as an emergency, maybe you might be able to connect this way to your smartphone directly. As you can see, it's working pretty fine, so no issues in terms of this one using this. So let me try to even download the game as well. So let's see whether we will be able to download with full speed or not. So as you can see, friends, right now the game is downloading, so without any Wi-Fi or any mobile data, you can clearly see here. So overall, friends, this is a quick review on this one supporting this Ethernet cable, and in another video I'll try to use this USB port connection as well, using the 3 pen drives at same time, whether you can do that or not. So make sure to check that video in case if you want to know. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.